Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Imagine transforming your morning coffee into a gourmet experience right from your kitchen. You can make delicious, aromatic hazelnut syrup in just about 10 minutes, and trust me, this homemade version tastes infinitely better than anything you'd buy from a store. It's incredibly easy to prepare and uses only a few common ingredients you likely already have on hand. Get ready to elevate your beverages with a rich, nutty sweetness that's truly special. To start this simple journey, you only need 4 basic ingredients. First, grab some fresh hazelnuts. They are absolutely key for developing the best, most aromatic flavor in your syrup. Next, you'll need white sugar and water to create that perfect sweet base. Finally, a touch of vanilla extract will complete our list, adding a lovely depth. That's it. Just these few items are all you require for a truly delightful syrup. The secret to achieving an intensely rich and deep hazelnut taste lies in one crucial step: roasting. Simply spread your raw hazelnuts on a baking sheet and toast them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. This process is truly magical, as it gently brings out their natural oils and significantly deepens their aroma, preparing them perfectly for infusion. Don't skip this step. It makes all the difference. Now it's time to brew your sweet syrup. In a medium saucepan, combine your water, sugar, and the wonderfully aromatic roasted hazelnuts. Gently bring this mixture to a low simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar completely dissolves. Then, let it continue to infuse slowly for another 10 minutes. This patient simmering allows the hazelnut flavors to meld beautifully with the sweet base, creating a rich essence. Once infused, carefully strain the warm syrup through a fine mesh sieve, removing all the hazelnut pieces to ensure a smooth consistency. Now, for an extra layer of warmth and complexity, stir in a splash of good quality vanilla extract. Finally, pour your freshly made hazelnut syrup into a clean, airtight bottle. Store it in the refrigerator, and it will keep well for up to 2 weeks. Get ready to enjoy this delightful, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.